Folklore. Is anyone else hearing that? Is there like, it's just in my in-ears. I have someone has their mic on and it is like a wind tunnel. Oh, I'm being told that's just the way the wind sounds. This is just how windy it is. I'm just gonna pop these out to talk to you so that I can focus. Folklore is oh, so you're gonna be loud. I love it. Okay. You know what, side note, aside from Folklore, this crowd is so incredibly lovable. I'm just, like, I'm seeing a lot of new faces, I'm seeing a lot of faces that I know from previous shows, I'm seeing a lot of people I've seen on the internet, and I'm seeing performances, like what you're doing in the crowd. And I mean not just the floor, I'm meaning everywhere. I'm looking at every single face in this stadium. Performing for us. It feels like you're giving us a gift. Like when we look out and we see a crowd that's so present and so in the moment with us, it just makes us feel like we're living out a childhood dream. So I thank you very much for being this kind of crowd on our 100th show, huh?